Hello, students. I feel like we are kind of beating a dead horse for lack of a better idiom, but I'm still noticing that some students, and this could greatly affect their success this semester, some students are not quite sure how to use their plan tab. And using the plan tab, like I said, is a big indicator of how successful a student can be in class this semester. So right now, as a student, I have clicked on my plan tab, which is along that whole bar that has class home, plan, content, progress, grades, that line of choices. So plan tab is what I've clicked, and here it is. And I am currently on the monthly view. If I go to agenda, it looks like this. And when I asked for a screenshot, this is what I got from some of you. If this helps you to know what to do each day, great. That's all I'm looking for in that assignment, right? Where I asked you to take a screenshot. Here is the day view. And again, if this helps you be successful, great. Here's the weekly view. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Some of you work all week, and so on the weekend you look at the weekly view. Awesome. I tend to stay on the monthly view. That's just my preference. I like an overall view of what's going on during the month. Now, list view is another way you can do it, and this would be great if you missed some days, or maybe you were even, out sick for a week or something. You can go all the way back to the first day of class. Also notice I'm on English 403B Brit Lit. I'm not showing all calendars, okay? No, just for Brit Lit. Some of you sent me a screenshot of all your classes that day. I probably gave you credit anyway, but I just wanted to point that out. So just for British literature, I want to point something out here. So today is the 25th. If I click on 1.02 Romanticism, that might mean nothing to you, or you might know exactly where I'm going here, but you need to click more to find out what I have attached to this. This is directly linked to your OLS content. So now you can click those live links and go through your course content, and you will have quizzes from time to time on your OLS content this semester. So now if I go back to my plan tab, just to show you another thing today. So here's another thing. I can tell right away if a student's time zone is set incorrectly, because instead of 11:59 p.m., it's going to say 12:59 p.m., which, as we know, is going to put you into January 26th, right? Because that would be at 1 in the morning on January 26th. Make sure your time zone is set correctly. I saw quite a few students that sent me a screenshot that I could tell their time zone isn't set correctly. So if you click on this, the second one here, Quiz 1.02 Intro to Romanticism due. After reading through your 1.02 OLS content, take this fill in the blank quiz. If you click more, here is the link directly to the quiz. So you can see how important this plan tab is. I'm really hoping this short tutorial can help you get started on that, and maybe you learned a little bit more about how your plan tab can help you be successful this semester. Thanks for watching.